General dictation at the speed of 90 words per minute. Ready? Start. Government bans 59 mobile apps which are prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of state and public order. Stop. Stanza. The Ministry of Information Technology, invoking its power under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act, read with the relevant provisions of the Information Technology (start) procedure and safeguards for blocking of access of information by public rules 2009, and in view of the emergent nature of threats has decided to block 59 apps since in view of information available they are engaged in activities which is prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of state and public order. Full stop. Stanza. Over the last few years, India has emerged as a leading innovator when it comes to technological advancements and a primary market in the digital space. Full stop. Next stanza. At the same time, there have been raging concerns on aspects relating to data security and safeguarding the privacy of 130 crore Indians. Full stop. It has been noted recently that such concerns also pose a threat to sovereignty and security of our country. Full stop. The Ministry of Information Technology has received many complaints from various sources, including apps available on Androids and iOS platforms for stealing and surreptitiously transmitting users' data in an unauthorized manner to servers which have locations outside India. Stop. The compilation of these data, its mining and profiling by elements hostile to national security and defense of India, which ultimately impinges upon the sovereignty and integrity of India, is a matter of very deep and immediate concern which requires emergency measures. Full stop. Next stanza. The Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center, Ministry of Home Affairs, also sent an executive recommendation for blocking these malicious apps. Full stop. This ministry has also received many representations raising concerns from citizens regarding security of data and risk to privacy relating to operation of certain apps. Full stop. The Computer Emergency Response Team CERTIN has also received many representations from citizens regarding security of data and breach of privacy impacting upon public order issues. Full stop. Likewise, there have been similar bipartisan concerns flagged by various public representatives both outside and inside the Parliament of India. Stop. There has been a strong course in the public space to take strict action against apps that harm Indians' sovereignty as well as the privacy of our citizens. Full stop. Next stanza. On the basis of these and upon receiving of recent credible inputs that such apps pose threat to sovereignty and integrity of India, the Government of India has decided to disallow the usage of certain apps used in both mobile and non-mobile internet enabled devices. Full stop. These apps are listed in the attached appendix. Full stop. This move will safeguard the interests of crores of Indian mobile and internet users. Full stop. This decision is a targeted move to ensure safety and sovereignty of Indian cyberspace. Full stop and over. अगर आपको ये मैटर पसंद आया तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए। ओके, थैंक यू।